First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone that's been involved in the new Puma, from design concept to production ready.
This vehicle is all new to Ford of Europe. It's all new to Ford and it's built only here in Craiova.
I think the three features of Puma is, I think, on one side the exterior styling, which is really outstanding. Secondly, it's the luggage compartment concept, which we call the Megabox concept, which is delivering not only the space, but all flexible solutions for best usability. And then the third one is, of course, the powertrain, which is electrified Fox engine.
Proiectul Ford Puma pentru mine a fost o experiență unică. Am făcut parte dintr-o echipă minunată.
Ford Puma a fost o experiență nouă și drept urmare o nouă provocare pentru a face două modele simultan. Cel mai corect ar fi Ford Vidabilă.
Wow!
Este ca un copil.
O să fie un adevărat învingător pe piața automobilelor din România.
We're not just building two products, we're building two great products. We're very excited about this as an opportunity. It's allowed us to be able to hire approximately 1,700 people to bring into the Ford family from not just Craiova, but from the Oltenia area, which has been great for us as a plant and great for the local region. So two great products and a very exciting future.